look at how the internet is accessed in SIM7600 in Linux using MBIM interface. Open the terminal. First of all, you have to check the AT command port of SIM7600 which is connected with the PC. So to check the port, give this command. So you will get that port connected, and then open the PuTTY terminal. Give the port and baud rate. The default baud rate is 115200. So through this AT commands, we are setting the network mode of SIM7600. So first of all, you have to check the PID configuration. By default, the PID configuration of SIM7600 is 9001. So you have to change the PID value to 9003. So here it is 9003. Then you have to check the LAN mode. So LAN mode also you have to change to 1 if it is by default 0. Then you have to open the LAN mode. So by default it will be 0. So switch to LAN 1. So now the modem is restarting. So you can see how the modem is restarting. The network LED constantly blinking stops blink, and the network LED, power LED, status LED will be off for a while and then restart. Next, you have to install the libmbm library which supports MBM functionality. After that, you can see the driver detected in the port. So next, going to configure the network connections. Add the network connection. Choose the connection type as mobile broadband. Then you have to choose the provider's country or region. Then choose your provider. Here we are using Jio 4G SIM. So select the Reliance. Then choose your billing plan. And select that the plan APN should be given as JioNet. Save the settings and then continue. So now you can see the mobile broadband is detected in the list of network connections. Then click the Reliance connection. So when you check the internet access, you can see the Jio 4G is appeared, and select that network and you can browse away. So this is how the network is accessed using SIM7600 in Linux. Thank you for watching.